Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast number 9. Today we have Mr. Jesse Rass. He is our rep. Well, in fact, he's with us since 3 years, almost 3 years. And I invite him, then he can talk to you guys how the relationship has started and where we are today and where we're going. Jesse, welcome here at Summerville, South Carolina.
Once again.
Head office.
Yeah. Well, hey guys, glad to be here, Danielle. Me and Danielle started about 3 years ago. I gave him a resume, and I was a rep, sold over the Southeast. We've had a great relationship ever since, man. One-on-one. Got his cell phone number on speed dial. Man, I tell you, when we first...
He called me Saturday and Sunday and anytime.
Yeah, I do.
I can tell you that.
That's exactly right. I do. Saturday, Sunday, but that's one great...
But not between 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock, right?
That's right, because he's riding the bike, baby. Riding the bike. That's exactly riding the bike.
Yeah.
So, but, you know, that's what's good about us, man. A lot of other manufacturers on the market, you know, you're not going to get that kind of personal touch, man. That's what we've got that nobody else has, man. So that's wonderful. I love it. 3 years, man. I hope for another 20, man. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
40,
sir.
40.
Yeah.
40.
Good health as you are, man.
Yeah.
We're going to make it.
Yeah.
So I guess talking about the cutter heads is what I wanted to focus on today. That's been one of my biggest successes with Gyro-Trac is the cutter heads. One of the main things being we hit every single part in the market as far as small to large. We have a variety of different heads. I was going to kind of go through them if that's okay with you.
Yeah.
That we've got. We've got our 300BX that we would use on like a John Deere 60G we've used. We also have a 300 HD. We're going to use that. That's going to have our bigger 500 drum in it. You know, that's going to be for y'all like your Cat 309s. We have a 400 HL. That's going to be for your low flow and high flow skid steers. Also can go up to on a 30,000 pound excavator as well. So that's a 2-in-1. We have a 400 HLX, which is our extreme duty we just came out with. That's the 500 drum as well in it. That's going to be able to go on a low flow, high flow skid steer and on a bigger excavator. All you got to do at Gyro-Trac, and what I've found and what we've done over this 3-year period is give us the power, we'll put you in the right head. You with me? Give us the power, we'll give you the right head. Now, we have lighter drums, we have heavier drums, you know, we have everything that can fit the market. And in our turnaround time, I go to Danielle and say, Danielle, you know what? For the instance, the 300, okay? The 300BX was really designed for a 20-gallon-a-minute machine, okay? But we said, you know, Danielle, we need a bigger drum, man. Well, within 3 months, Jesse, I got your drum for you, you know? What other manufacturer do we have to do that? So now we can take that 300 heavy duty with the bigger drum and put it on a bigger excavator, but we still keep our 300BX because we still gonna need it for 20 gallons a minute machine. So I mean,
or a small tracker like a
60G or a you know, Cat 305 or you know Kubota KX057, all those models. Moving to some other, our last couple models here. Our biggest model, our biggest seller is our 500 HF. That has been our bread and butter, would you not say, Danielle?
Yeah.
And our biggest seller here in the Southeast and across the country, I'd say. That's gonna run on our high flow machines, and we're coming out with a 600 HF, which is gonna fill the void for a little wider, you know?
Yeah.
Same drum.
The new skid steer is going to be on the market, the ASV and the Cat.
Yep.
They're going to be 130 horsepower, I believe so, and
Yep.
a little bit wider. Yep. Well, we are already be proactive. We're ready for those guys too.
And we also have the 700, which the 700, guys, is huge. So we got a 5, a 6, and a 7, like you're saying. 500 is going to be for your high flow. 600 is going to be for a little wider, for 130 horsepower, 120 horsepower, even your higher 100 horsepower high flow machines. And the 700 is going to be for your big wheeled machines is what we're going to focus some time on.
Yep, I believe we never sold this 700 HF because we didn't want at the beginning. Now I think it's going to be a big market for us. The guy from Tiger Cat, the big machine with 500 horsepower, start to use that. They just love it.
Yeah,
they love it because the cutting technology is. It's like the last iPhone is cutting.
Yeah,
it's cutting.
If you got a low flow or a high flow or a machine, skid steer or excavator or wheeled machine, we have one head that will fit one. We can fit them all, is what I'm trying to say. You with me? The line of travel and communication. you know, that we have, that I have with Danielle, and that I have with my dealer network. You know, I'm not going through 50 people to make a decision. I'm going from my dealer network, which has the customer in the field, which I'm in line with the customer and the dealer. Then I talk to Dan, then they talk to me, I talk to Danielle, and then we get it done. We don't have but 3 lines there.
Yeah.
That's a big deal.
Yeah.
When you have multiple lines of travel, it gets all fungled up and it doesn't work correctly, you know?
And I believe everybody's forget that the rule number 1 come from the customer. Okay. That's
100%.
That's the rules.
Yeah, I take it from, we want the man in the field.
Yeah.
And we are field guys, and the guys that know me, you know that I'm setting up machines. I'm a hands-on guy. I mean, I'm getting the information from the end user, dealers, and we're all making it, you know? So that's how we make it work. So
thank you very much for listening, and don't forget the Groovy Tooth. That's the way to go. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Thanks for having me.